Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Spotify crashing on your settings. So just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window here like you say, and you just go down, you click here on apps, and you come here to apps window here like you say, and you just go down here to looking for Spotify up here, and this is window, you just go down here to looking for Spotify. Only can you search for it, and you click here on Spotify, then you come here to next window here like you say app info window, and you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you go down, you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, and you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do, and it's going to work with you. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.